guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing DIY summer treats, like little chocolate stuff. Also, this video is going to be a collab with the following people:
CC Love, Michaela Danielle, Michelle Cora, Kevin Incredible, Black Lace Beauty.
Go subscribe to all of them because I literally love them all so much. I think that they deserve way more subscribers. So yeah, I will get on to the DIY summer treat ideas.
So for this you will need chocolate molds, melting chocolates, M&Ms, and bowls to melt them in. So first I put the melting chocolates in the bowls and then I put them in the microwave to melt them. Then I started pouring in my white chocolate. Then I started adding my M&Ms. Then I started pouring my milk chocolate. Then I added more M&Ms and then I added in the last of the white chocolate and you are done. So for the next treat you will need caramel syrup. Then I started pouring in my chocolate into the mold. Then I started pouring in my caramel, and then after the caramel was done I started adding in chocolate again. So now they are done. So for the last treat you will need sprinkles. First I put the sprinkles into the mold, then after that I started adding my white chocolate into the mold, and then after I was done with adding the white chocolate into the mold I started adding the milk chocolate into the mold, and after that you are finished.
Okay, so that is the end of my video. Make sure you go check out the people I'm collabing with. They will be all linked in the description box. Also, please subscribe, like, comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe to me because my goal of the year is to make it to 20,000 subscribers. So I would really enjoy if you would subscribe to help me get there. I'm really far away. So please subscribe and like, share with a friend. Okay, I think that's all I have to say, so goodbye!